Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find clock and tap on it. Now you need to select this clock icon at the top left corner and tap on this plus red icon over here. Now set up an hour, choose OK and tap on repeat. Select days of the week and then tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. After that, click on label your alarm however you wish to, and when you're done, tap on OK. Lastly, click on this bell icon over here and choose add new to pick music from your device as your alarm sound by clicking on the song and going back. But I don't have any, so I will go with one of those system sounds by tapping on the chosen one and going back. Now click on this icon over here at the bottom right corner of this pop-up, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by clicking at the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!